everyone, welcome to Thoughtful Tuesdays. I'm Coach Vaishali, I'm co-founder of Aspire, and today we are going to talk about a very common concern, that is procrastination. Every day I'm listening to people, I'm listening to kids that we have not done our homework, we have not done our this task, it's pending from long, I don't have a time to do this. So why don't we talk about this, and let me give you a rule from which you can not to do the procrastinating thing, and then you can be on your state of peace, actually in your peace, so that because you know that now you don't have any to-do list, or maybe now you don't have any pending activities or work. So let's talk about procrastination in today's video of Thoughtful Tuesday. Okay, so there are two types of procrastination. One procrastination is which you don't feel like doing the work because you are feeling lazy, because you don't feel doing it. So there is one type of procrastination which you delay intentionally. Then there is second type of procrastination, and that is procrastination on purpose. So for an example, if you have maths homework or maths test in this month, and you have a maths or science test in the next month. So maths test, you need attention, and it's important right now. So you are preparing for the maths test which is due in this month, and you know that science test is later on in the coming month. So I can prepare myself. So that is why I am procrastinating in reading about science in the next month. So that is on the purpose, because you know that you have enough time, or maybe right now this is the other task is of more important. So we will talk about both of the procrastination in this video, and I'm going to give you the rule of AIDE, which helps you in not letting your work delaying or procrastinate. So let's talk about A. A stands for automate. So we all are living in an automatic life. We have cars automatic, we have fridge, we have washing machines. So in earlier times we don't have, maybe our forefathers, they don't have this privilege of fridge, they don't have the privilege of mobile phones, they don't have internet at that time as well. So that is why if somebody has to travel from one place to other place, it takes a long time to travel, right? But now we have automatic cars. Now we can use aeroplanes, we can go from one destination to other in a very short span of time. So why don't we delegate, why don't we automate our task? For an example, if you have a checklist of 9 or 10 activities in a day or in a week, just consider those tasks which you can automate. Okay, so what task you can automate? Maybe I can use the help of washing machine in washing the clothes. I'm just giving an example, but just try to figure what task you can automate, not doing deliberately from your own hands, or maybe for the things which don't need your attention or your physical presence. So try to automate those things. Second is we will talk about I in the later phase. Let's talk about D first. Delegate. We cannot do everything. I cannot look after my kitchen work, I cannot look after my entire people like everybody in the family. So try to delegate tasks which you can delegate. For an example, if you have to clean up the garage, maybe you can ask help from someone else who can do it for you. Maybe you can hire a cook to cook for you. I'm just giving an example. So see what exactly fit for you, which task you can delegate, which you doesn't need your physical presence or your hands to work on it. So try to delegate your task as well. Now let's talk about E. E is one of the very important aspects, that means eliminate. So eliminate the work or remove it from your checklist which you don't need it on very important or urgent basis. as we have already discussed about the procrastination which you do on purpose. Maybe you can eliminate those tasks for in this current list to the later to-do list, which you know that now this task is of no importance, maybe I can do it later. But just make sure that later you will do it. So don't forget about that. So this point E as an eliminate, you can eliminate all the tasks which is there in the to-do list, which you can eliminate right now, for which you have a comfort of eliminating right now. Okay. So now let's talk about I from A. So I stands for instance. For an example, it's a 5-minute rule. So suppose you in the beginning you have made your priority list. So for an example, there are 10 number of things in your to-do list, in your checklist, which you have to do. So the number one task, whatever there is on the top, just try to give 5 minutes to that task. Maybe it's cleaning your cupboard. So at least no need to give 1 hour or 2 hours to it. First, try it to do for first 5 minutes. First 5 minutes, give your time to clean up your cupboard, and then this 5 minutes will help you in engaging yourself more into that activity, and you end up cleaning your cupboard without knowing. So maybe you have end up giving 1 hour, 2 hour, 45 minutes to clean up your room, to clean up your cupboard, and you don't even know, because you just started in your mind, you just started that I will only give 5 minutes, and let's at least start for 5 minutes and then see how it feels like. So this instant rule, this 5-minute rule, giving your to the task is very important, because you automatically indulge into that without knowing, without pressuring yourself extra. Oh, I have to clean my cupboard. So you're just putting in all the anxiety and stress in, because you have to clean up, it's long time pending, I just need to give 2 hours, I don't have 2 hours. So just this rule will escape you from all these reasons which you were making it earlier. So at least start doing it for the 5 minutes. So this is the rule of 8. And of course, before following this rule, making a list, prioritizing all the things, and to make a checklist, maybe in your mind, or maybe if you are a pen, pencil, paper person, then you can maybe even write it as well. So follow this rule of 8, and please do write it in the comments that if you have followed and how successful you are. And still, if you need help, then please engage yourself in any of the modules which you can see over our website www.xfire.co, and you can enroll yourself, or you can talk to me or my partner directly, and we will help you in building up a better person of yourself without any procrastination, without any delaying of the things, so you can be your better version. So do contact us, and thank you for watching Thoughtful Tuesdays with me, Coach Vaishali. Thank you.